Here we have a large antique pine wardrobe. This one dates from around about 1900 and it's got nice panelled doors, as you can see, and also panelling to the sides. It sits on bun feet at the front and block feet to the rear. Now this one does fully dismantle for delivery, as most of our wardrobes do, so no problem going up stairways and what have you. The lock and the key all work, and there are French style external hinges on these doors, which means that they do open fully wide. So the code on this one is K6802E. The price in the bare wood is £820, and if you'd like it wax polished, it's £927. It is 78.5 inches high, 63.5 inches wide. The external depth is 23 inches. The internal depth is 19.25 inches. So large enough to hang, or deep enough to hang large coats. And we will fit a new brass hanging rail in for you, and because it's so tall, if you wanted a shelf put in at the top as well, that would be something that we can do for you.